Okay, just leaving Najera. This this rock face right here reminds me a lot of Utah, down in the Moab area. Where's my arrow at? There it is. There we go. Yeah, it should be hopefully a decent morning, and then this afternoon it's supposed to rain. I'm slack packing again today. Got my day pack. I got my rain gear in there, ready to go when needed. Hope is I make it to Santo Domingo before the rain. Here we go. Well, as you can probably hear, the wind is blowing pretty good. It said on the Weather Channel 10 to 20 miles an hour. But it's blowing in a storm. And we're just trying to get to Santo Domingo before. Beautiful country. Basically just walking through some fields today, as you can see. Had some conversation with a German lady who told me about the German-Russian War, and then we had a couple other teachers come into the group, and we talked about German and education, how it's different than the U.S., or how it differs from the U.S., and how it's the same. Good conversations on our way to Santo Domingo. After 3 days in a row of good weather, we've hit some rain here. I don't think it's going to be super heavy, but just enough to get you wet. On our the way to Santo Domingo. Just a view there of where we came from. Panoramic here. There it is, Santo Domingo. We're on our way. Okay, a little panoramic view here as we come into Santo Domingo. It's about noon. I think it's Wednesday, the 12th day of the... Gotta love all the greens and the yellows and all the colors. Got some mountains in the background and some clouds. Santo Domingo. There it is. Here we come.